Did you know the ancient biblical feasts hold powerful lessons for our lives today? Imagine gathering with friends and family, not just for tradition's sake, but to celebrate God's goodness in fresh, meaningful ways. Take Passover, for example, once a story of deliverance from Egypt, now a powerful reminder to release what's holding us back in 2025 and embrace freedom and faith. Or Pentecost, when the Holy Spirit empowered believers, inspiring us to step boldly into our own unique callings and share God's love with the world. Even the Feast of Tabernacles, originally a time to remember God's provision during wilderness journeys, can become a yearly moment to unplug, reflect, and reconnect with what truly matters in our busy lives. These festivals weren't just celebrations. They were moments of gratitude, unity, and purpose that shaped community and faith. How can we bring that spirit into our modern lives? Try hosting a meal, sharing stories of gratitude, or volunteering together to serve others. Let's revive these ancient traditions with fresh energy, turning them into vibrant reminders of God's faithfulness today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content.